Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install an extension to unpacked zip file. So first of all I'm going on this tree menu, then go to extension, then manage extension. So here is the type of load and pack, so just click on here. So you can see here is a no file available here, so I'm going on this file manager. You can see this is a zip file, so I need to click on right button, then click on extract file, then okay. Wow, it's already unzip. Then again go on this load unpacked, then go to download button. You can see this is available, so just click on select folder. You can see it's already added on my Chrome browser. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.